Gerard, Manley, Hopkins, God's Grandeur. The world is charged with the grandeur of God. It will flame out like shining from shook foil. It gathers to a greatness like the ooze of oil crushed. Why do men then not wreck his rod? Generations have trod, and all is seared with trade, bleared, smeared with toil, and bears man's smudge and shares man's smell. The soil is bare now, nor can foot feel being shod, and for all this nature is never spent, and there lives the dearest freshness deep down things. And though the last lights from the black west went, oh, morning at the brown brink eastward springs, because the Holy Ghost over the bent world broods with warm breast and bright wings.